Good morning. Okay, I'm alright. So now, origami time. Yay. Okay, today I will use silver paper. Okay? You can use any color, it's okay every time. For example, green okay, black okay, white okay. Yeah. Any origami paper, color paper, origami, okay. Okay, are you ready for start? Okay. I will wait for you for 5 seconds. Okay, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's start. Today first, we will make an organ base. So, turn it over, fold in half, and make a big rectangle. Okay, so please try. Are you okay? Yeah, like this. Half in half. Okay, fold in half. Next time the same, fold in half, like this. Okay, make a square. Okay, are you finished like this? And this one is open and fold. Okay, so next fold here to the center, like this, center. Okay, just a moment please. Alright, like this. Yeah, okay, so please, the other side is the same style. Okay, I can make a square, but this is an open, a rectangle. Alright, so next time a little bit difficult. For example, look at this one. So open and make a triangle. Okay. Look at this. Make a triangle. Yeah, it's like a roof of a house. Okay. Then the other side is the same things. Please do it. Are you finished? We can call this one an organ base. So next step. Okay. Turn it over, and here fold to the center. Please try this one. Do you like origami? Do you like to do origami? Okay, like this. Okay, next. Okay, So, like this. Here. Okay. Yes. And then here we have two, yeah, but only one, front one up, like this, and turn it over, do the same thing. Okay, try. Are you okay? So look at mine. So we have 2, 1, 2 triangle. Okay, so up like this. Okay, up like this. The other side is the same thing. Up like this. Okay, the last step, please open, oh sorry, please open like this, okay, so, and then so push the top of the silver. Okay. Yes. I'm finished. What's this? Yes. It's a clown. It's a clown. Okay, did you enjoy? Okay, so let's make it again. See you.